Hey everyone, today I will be showing you AI tools that can help you make money. AI has been increasingly influential in our lives, primarily through computer technology and social media. These AI tools have been employed to simplify our lives. So, let us take advantage of these tools and explore how AI can contribute to our financial success. Stay with us until the end to discover these AI tools. Before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Now, let us start. Today, we are diving into the world of AI tools that can help you not only save time but also make money. In a world where attention spans are dwindling, short online content is king. Let us be real. People cannot focus for a very long anymore. As our attention spans get shorter, short online content is what everyone loves. It is not just popular now, it is going to be even more important in the future. But making short videos from long ones is a big job that takes a lot of time. That is where Opus Clip comes in. Opus Clip is a game changer. It can turn your long videos into short ones with just one click. It finds the most interesting parts of your video and puts them together. If you use this AI, your chances of going viral are much higher. Plus, you can start a business doing this. You can turn one video into multiple short clips and offer your service to content creators. You can charge about $20 to $30 for each short clip you make. Aim for YouTubers and podcasters with over 100,000 subscribers because they can afford your help. Next up is ElevenLabs. It is one of the most realistic yet affordable AI voice generators and cloning tools online. I know many faceless YouTube channels that have been using ElevenLabs to create and monetize their content. So, if you are considering starting a faceless YouTube channel to earn from it, you can use ElevenLabs for that. Furthermore, you can also offer voiceover services to individuals and businesses on freelancer platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. As a bonus tool, I highly recommend you check out OGXLab. This AI tool not only offers easy video editing with AI, but also gives you access to ElevenLabs' AI voice. In the past, creating a website was a time-consuming process that required extensive development skills and a good understanding of various coding languages. However, things have changed. Now, with the help of AI-powered websites like 10web.io and durable.co, you can create a website in no time. With just a few simple instructions, the AI takes charge of designing, building, writing content, and adding images to your website. You can provide the AI with examples of websites you like, and it can recreate similar ones for you. Not only do these AI-driven websites save your time, but they also save you money. You can even start a website building business for others, generating an income. Whether you have a website, product, service, or business, providing effective customer support is crucial. It involves managing a tangle of questions, tickets, and frustrated customers, all of which directly impact your sales. Meet Tidio Lyro AI, which can either assist or even replace your support team in handling customer inquiries, all while enhancing your website's sales potential. This means you can reduce staffing costs or eliminate the need for staff while improving customer support and overall experience. The result? A direct boost in your sales. Content plays a vital role in attracting visitors, generating leads, and increasing revenue for your website. However, content creation can be demanding in terms of time and resources. HubSpot's AI content assistant, powered by OpenAI's GPT model, can assist your team in brainstorming, producing, and distributing content quickly. If you master this AI, you can offer content creation services to businesses that often need support with content development. Have you ever found yourself slugging through lengthy, never-ending documents, perhaps for class or work? DocuAsk is here to rescue you from this time-consuming task. With DocuAsk, you no longer have to read those extensive documents. While other tools like ChatGPT can provide document summaries, they might miss crucial details. DocuAsk, on the other hand, goes beyond summaries. It analyzes your documents and allows you to simply ask questions about the content in the chat box. It then extracts precise information and provides you with answers, ensuring you get the exact insights you need. Our next AI tool is Midjourney. Midjourney allows you to create stunning images, digital art, backgrounds, and prints from text prompts. It is a fantastic tool for artists and content creators. Here is how you can earn money from it. Start by creating a portfolio of images and art pieces. Sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. You can also offer digital products like wallpaper packs. Speaking of prompts, ChatGPT can help you create compelling prompts for art, writing, marketing, games, and 3D, which are in demand on platforms like PromptBase. To turn this into a business, experiment with generating high-quality prompts. You can sell these prompts on platforms like PromptBase or create PDF packs with examples of images generated from your prompts. AI prompts are a valuable resource for content creators and writers. If you struggle with Excel sheets and PowerPoint presentations, Microsoft's Copilot is your ultimate solution. Excel sheets and PowerPoint slides can be cumbersome to update and lack visual appeal, making it challenging to engage your audience effectively. Microsoft's Copilot is your all-in-one virtual assistant, seamlessly integrating with Microsoft's suite of products. This is a prime example of AI simplifying your workflow. So, there you have it, a range of AI tools that can help you save time, boost productivity, and even generate income. We hope you find these tools as exciting and useful as we do. I am really eager to know your opinion. Have you given these tools a shot? If you have, could you let us know if they were beneficial for you and have you earned money from it? Please feel free to share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. I am sincerely looking forward to hearing about your experiences, and your valuable feedback might serve as a helpful resource for others who are thinking about giving this a try too. That is for today. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.